Okay, he's got my gun.
That's not
Where are you
one.
shot?
I don't know.
What do you got there? What do you got there?
Police officers live in a world where danger lurks even in the simplest encounters. They need to stay alert every second because some suspects aren't just unpredictable, they're ready to kill. In these cases, criminals reached for a gun, and the moment they did, everything changed forever. Now, we begin with the story of 19-year-old Sebastian Roman, a teenager who, on May 28, 2022, found himself at the center of a confrontation that never should have happened.
Yo, Atlanta police. Stop. Stop.
What?
Because you have an open container of alcohol. In public, you can't have an open container of alcohol. Give me your alcohol. Give me your ID. Your ID.
I don't have it on me.
Where's your ID?
I left it at home.
How old are you? Not 21.
Yeah.
Right. I can have you arrested right now. I should arrest you. How old are you? You're 19?
Yes, sir.
Right. Step over here.
Sebastian openly admits he's underage, and the officer explains he could arrest him right there on the spot. Instead, the officer chooses a calmer approach, detaining the teen and trying to understand what exactly he's been doing. But the more he questions him, the stranger Sebastian's behavior becomes.
What are you doing at the mall?
I'm just walking around trying to shop. Have a good time while I'm on the weekend, you know? It's an honest mistake. I understand.
Okay. You're not trying to pick up anybody?
No, sir.
Okay.
I mean, women, yeah. Just having a good time.
You think it's appropriate to walk up to a group of young girls and ask their ages right away?
I was just trying to verify their age before I
I looked at them. You don't think they were definitely minors?
I didn't intend to.
Right. You don't look like a minor.
Yeah.
You've got a sleeve of tattoos.
Yeah.
That tells me you're at least above 18.
Yeah. It's my mistake. I was trying to verify
You
their
don't
age
think that's kind of
before
weird?
I approached them. Yeah. I understand. I was just trying to verify their age before I approached them.
That's how you approach women nowadays? You just go up to them and ask them how old they are? Straight up?
Yeah, so I don't have to, I don't want to be in the wrong.
After calling him out for approaching underage girls, the officer decides to remove Sebastian from the mall and let him off with just a warning. But the moment Sebastian admits he's been using marijuana and then refuses a simple search, his calm attitude collapses. What happens next is a reckless decision that drags both him and the officer into an avoidable, dangerous confrontation.
You have anything on you that would, drugs, guns, bombs, anything like that?
No, sir.
Okay.
I
Mind if
smoked earlier, though.
So you have some weed on you?
No, not anymore.
Okay. You mind if I conduct a search of your person real quick?
I don't think you can.
I'm asking.
No.
What do you have inside your bag?
Just some stuff that I need to get home.
Okay. Do you mind showing me?
No, I don't have to.
Okay.
Thank you, though.
Nope. Next time I see you here,
Okay.
I see it. It's a jar, and it's got a little bit of weed in it.
Okay.
You think I'm
I just
dumb?
finished it.
Okay.
With the...
Is that what's inside your bag?
Yeah. That's it.
Just the weed?
Yeah.
Sebastian is technically right. He doesn't have to consent to a search. But the moment he admits he smoked weed, the officer now has the legal grounds he needs. No amount of teenage panic can justify what comes next. Faced with a possible arrest, Sebastian makes a move that is so extreme, so irrational, that you wouldn't even think of it.
Take off your bag. Don't resist. You're gonna make it a lot worse than you need to. Take off your bag.
Sir, please.
Don't make this worse. Get out of here. Get out of here. Signal 43. Signal 43. Signal 43. Follow Millennia. White male. White Hispanic male running. He's going towards Millennia Boulevard. He's got a gun. He's just shot at me.
In a split second, Sebastian pulls a gun from his bag and fires at the officer, then bolts, sprinting around the parking lot of the mall complex as the officer radios in the shots fired. With no time to think, the officer immediately chases after the armed suspect.
Signal 43, Oscar 356, Mall Millennia.
He's running. He's going towards Millennia Convoy. Hotel Mike. White shirt, blue jeans. He got a black bag. He pulled out black Signal 0. He's in the Bay parking lot.
Get chase. Get chase. Miles to the line. North is complex.
I lost eyes on him.
Give the officer the channel.
He just crossed Conroy right now. He's got to be somewhere around here.
The officer loses sight of the suspect, but a search of the area eventually leads police to Sebastian, outside a nearby Olive Garden. Investigators later say it was unclear whether he was hit by police gunfire or wounded by his own shot during the chaos. And when you think situations like this can't possibly escalate any further, this next case proves they absolutely can.
Can you tell me what's going on? Why are you in the wrong lane? Can you tell me why you're in the wrong lane? I don't know what I got here. I got a female that won't answer any questions. I think I'm in our turn lane to go into the shops if you want to start one of them. What's going on? Can you tell me what's going on, ma'am? Please? Are you okay? Do you need an ambulance? Are you all right? Okay. Have you been drinking or anything? It doesn't look like you've been drinking.
The officer radios in the situation, but Duran refuses any help and snaps at the mention of needing an ambulance. When he calmly asks if she's been drinking, she suddenly goes silent, then reaches toward the center console for something far more dangerous than anyone expected.
There. What do you got in there, man? What do you got in there? What do you got in there? Oh!
The woman pulls a handgun from the console, forcing the officer into a split-second life-or-death decision. With his own safety and the safety of everyone nearby instantly at risk, he's left with no choice but to defend himself.
225, shots fired, shots fired. Don't move.
Shots fired. All units, code 9, channel 1. Responding unit, Sam 25.
Are you okay?
80 Lamar.
Are you okay? Start rescue. She's down inside the car still. Had a handgun. I'm checking for other downrange here. 225, traffic stopped here for me, but we're gonna need to shut some things down here. Obviously Lamar westbound and then eastbound down the way here a little bit.
Let's get her out of the car. You get the gun, I'll get her out of the car.
Yeah, I'm trying to do all that, man. Give me a minute.
You grab the gun, I got her. Just get that out of here.
I don't think so.
Hey, let's get her out.
1025, 191, Sam, Robert, Tom.
The officer watches Duran lift the gun toward him, and instinct takes over as he fires to stop the threat. He immediately reports the shooting and checks on her condition. But once backup arrives, his focus shifts to the terrifying possibility that an innocent road user may have been hit in the exchange.
Ma'am,
We are on the gun.
are you okay? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
735, we can get units at Lamar for westbound this turn, all the southeast.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Moments later, he discovers a bullet has struck the windshield of another driver. Overwhelmed, he apologizes again and again. Shaken by how quickly a routine stop had turned into a nightmare, he breaks down under the stress, because sometimes an officer's only options are the worst. But the next case reveals what happens when officers are pushed into even more desperate fight-for-your-life situations.
Hi. Good, how are you? What are you doing parked back here?
Just taking a nap for a while.
Okay, where are you coming from? How long have you been here?
On July 26, 2018, Chicago officers discovered a man sleeping in his SUV on the side of the road. He claims he's simply taking a quick rest, but as the officer talks with him and begins checking for warrants, it becomes clear that his story isn't matching up at all.
Not a big deal. I just have to make sure, you don't have any warrants or anything, which I'm sure you don't. Once I confirm that, you'll be on your way. No big deal. Dunkin.
Martel gives a fake name, James Duncan, but the officer quickly realizes something is off. And when she digs deeper, she learns exactly why this man is hiding on an abandoned road at 5 in the morning, and just how far he's willing to go when he has nowhere left to run.
All right. So you said your name was James, right? So how come they can't find you out of Pennsylvania? They're not finding a driver's license record for James Duncan. Do you have anything in the vehicle with your name on it? King Henry Lincoln 4596. No!
If you stop,
I'll leave.
okay,
I'll
let
leave.
go.
No!
Let go.
No!
Let go.
Hey, no! No, Tether! No, Tether! No! 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 Please don't shoot me! Please! Please! Please don't shoot me!
8521, shots fired by the police. One suspect.
Backup arrives just in time to witness a frantic struggle for the gun as the officer pleads for her life. They move in and neutralize Martel. Later, investigators discovered he was high and wanted in Pennsylvania for the brutal murder of an elderly man. For officers, even routine stops can turn into deadly battles. But the next case proves danger can strike anywhere, even without warning.
Hey, sir.
Can I do something?
Driving a U-Haul?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you talk to me real quick over here? Of course. All right, we're gonna go right over here, man.
What did I do?
What?
I said, what did I do?
All right, it's right here. All right. Right now you're being detained, okay? So this report stolen.
Why? Since when?
You're not in a restaurant, you're just being detained, okay?
What's reported stolen?
All right. 221 Bravo, hold the channel, send me a unit to Sicko up here by North Walmart.
What the?
Sir, you're good. Get off my gun. Signal one, signal one, signal one, go to my gun!
What's reported stolen?
Sir, get off my gun. Signal one! Signal one, just go on! Signal one! Sir, you're not going to jail right now, right? Get off my gun.
Nah, you're gonna...
I'm not going.
All units, we're going to call this signal 1, no response.
Look.
Get off my gun! Get off my gun! Let's go for my gun! Let's go for my gun!
Please just get back.
Get off my gun!
Where is it?
Look.
Get off my gun! Get off my gun! Let's go for my gun! Let's go for my gun!
Please just get back.
Get off my gun!
As the officer and the suspect fight for control of the gun, the man suddenly throws the U-Haul into reverse, leading police on a short but chaotic chase that ends in a hail of gunfire at a nearby McDonald's. The officer survives with minor injuries. The suspect, a 38-year-old Brandon, dies at the scene. Trying to take an officer's gun never ends well, and as the next case shows, neither does trying to overpower one during a traffic stop.
Hello. Not sure I will be quick on it. We're going exactly with the speed, 57 and 35. You're going 57 and a 35, sir. You have a driver's license with insurance. Why are you getting out of the car, sir?
My driver's license.
12 radio to me, I'll just step out of the vehicle. Step over here now. Have a seat on the ground. Have a seat.
I'm not sitting. I'm not sitting!
Back up! Back up!
I'm not sick.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not.
I will tase you, sir. Touch the vehicle. Put your hands on the vehicle now! Radio summon units. Roll over on your stomach now.
Knock it off, man. Knock it off now. Get your arm behind you.
Put your arm behind your back. Okay, get your cuffs, get your cuffs.
Shut up.
You don't do that to a woman. Do you understand me? Or not, you don't do that to a woman.
Just as David Kubek gains the upper hand, two Good Samaritans rush in, tackling him and holding him down until more officers arrive. The officer is treated for minor injuries, while Kubek faces assault charges, resisting arrest, speeding, and even failing to wear a seatbelt. Most suspects fight for a reason, some desperate motive. But the next case, this suspect has no reason at all, and his choice becomes one of the most senseless of them all. In June 2016, police in Cincinnati, Ohio, took 27-year-old Thomas Robinson into custody, accusing him of killing one man and injuring another. But once he understands that investigators have solid evidence against him, he believes there's only one escape from the trouble he's in. While Robinson waits in the interrogation room, an officer steps behind him to take off the handcuffs. But Robinson's gaze shifts toward the officer's gun, and moments later, he seizes his chance to act.
Piece of shit. God damn it! Motherfucker! Yeah, I'm good. You couldn't get it.
You guys alright?
Yeah.
As officers wrestle for control of the gun, more units rush in, deploying tasers to subdue Robinson, who then begs them to end his life. Fortunately, no one was killed. Incidents like this are used to train both new and veteran officers in hopes of preventing future tragedies and reminding them that danger can erupt in the blink of an eye. If this video opened your eyes to how fast danger can unfold, hit the like button. Subscribe for more real cases and unbelievable encounters. And let me know in the comments which moment shocked you the most. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.